Welcome to this demonstration on creating, setting up, organizing, and delegating sites in Printix. To begin, navigate to the Sites icon located in the top bar. This will take you to the Sites page, where all your printing resources are organized in a tree view. The top-level folder is named after your Printix home, which should represent your organization. If this is incorrect, you can right-click on the name and choose to rename the folder. Multiple sites can be added at the root level. As shown, one site is created by default. Selecting this site reveals several available options. Let's change this site's name to UK. To create a new site, right-click on the root level name and select Create Site. In this example, you will create a site for Hungary. Enter the name of the new site and click Add. Now we have our Hungary site created. Let's create a folder and name it Europe. Once the folder is created, I can drag it into the top-level folder to make it a subfolder. This will allow me to organize my sites more effectively by placing them in this folder. Let's open the UK site and add a network. Click on the Add Network option. You can choose an existing network here. For this demonstration, we will select the training network. Now we have a top-level overview of all printers and printer queues associated with the UK site. We can also add a Site Managers group. Let's see how. Click on Add Site Manager Groups. This allows you to assign specific groups with administrative rights over this site. In this example, a list of Google groups is displayed. You can select the group to which you wish to assign admin rights to manage the printers and queues for this site. After saving the settings, members of this group will now have the necessary permissions to manage printing resources under this site. So, to summarize, we have successfully created a new site, organized it within a folder structure, added a network, and delegated administration to specific groups. This structure allows for effective management of printers and print queues tailored to your organization's needs.